Dude, that otter is in trouble, man. Oh my gosh, he's coming right at us. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, he's coming right to the front of the boat. Oh, dude, that poor otter wants to get the heck out of the water. Oh my gosh. Oh, this poor dude. Are you kidding me? Come on up, bud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's like right here. Hey, buddy. Is this happening right now? Oh my gosh. Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're good. You can chill up here as long as you need. I don't know what to do. I can't move. I can't put it into gear. Oh gosh. Hi again.